Salam, Shlonek, Shakbarek, Shakalumek, Kipalhal. Marhaba to all our Kasansi out there. It's another wonderful day again with full of love, happiness, and excitement only here at Sam and Quiz, the podcast. Yung mga Kasansi, it's another Friday na naman po in another chikahan. Medyo nag-hibernate si Sam, but ako po ang kasama ninyo ngayong Biyernes ng tanghalian. This month is a breast cancer awareness ng mga kababaihan at ang Sam and Quiz na podcast ay sumusuporta sa mga ganyang campaign. And ngayong ang chikahan natin is about dun sa mga Pilipinas, sa mga kababaihan at sa mga beauty pageant at this moment. If you was remember, naging guest natin ang Miss Universe Bahrain na si Miss Dujin Yaqub, ang Miss Universe Bahrain 2023 at si Miss Shireen Ahmed ng Miss Universe 2024. And right now, at this moment, mga Kasansi, isang bagong pageant na naman po ang ini-endorso ng mga United Bicolanos dito sa Bahrain. Ito ay ang Miss Magayon 2025. Yes, mga Kasansi, in support with the breast cancer awareness for this month, magkakaroon tayo ng chikahan with the newest pageant here dito sa Bahrain, ang Miss Magayon 2025. So, mamaya-maya ay makikilala natin ang 8 lovely kandidata dito sa Miss Magayon 2025 sa pagbabalik ng Sam and Quiz, the podcast. Yes, mga Kasansi, good afternoon sa inyong lahat, and I'm very happy and glad to introduce to you the newest pageant dito sa Bahrain that I will know that they will make an history. The first batch of Miss Magayon 2025. Let me introduce to you the 8 lovely candidates. Hi, girl! Kamusta? Ang gaganda? Diba? With your green shirt, with your sash. I'm happy na makilala kayong lahat. Yes, mga Kasansi, they are the lovely candidates of Miss Magayon 2025. Kamusta? Parang lahat kayo mga kilala ko. Same time, no? Yes. Siyempre, no, build your dreams. Huwag kayong susuko. Sali lang, sali lang, sali lang, sali. Yes, Pearl, you're there. Hi, Pearl. Kamusta?
Good afternoon. It's good to see you again.
Wow, I'm so glad, of course. But first of all, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, for sure. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Pearl Peabody. I am 28 years old, and I am an official candidate right now for Miss Magayon Bahrain 2025.
Wow. And next?
My name is Marialan Velasco. I'm grateful to having here right now with Miss Magayon 2025, and I hope you see each other at coming October 31 here at downtown Rotana, Manama.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Michelle Dago Okagot, 32 years old. I'm candidate number 7, Miss Magayon Bahrain 2025.
Wow, and next?
Hi everyone, my name is Mary Joy Abad. I'm 24 years old and I'm official candidate of Miss Magayon Bahrain 2025, candidate number 8, and I'm excited to see all of you guys this coming October 31 of 2025 here at downtown Rotana. See you there.
New faces, mga Kasansi. And you?
Hi, good day everyone. My name is Angeline Rafael, 23 years old, and it's good being back here in SNC Podcast. I hope that you watch us the oncoming event this October 31st at Downtown Rotana. I am candidate number 4. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, number 4. And Simon Cristopol was also happy to see you again. And candidate number 3.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bianca Marie de la Cruz, 26. I'm your official candidate number 3.
And of course, last but not the least, the candidate number 1.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm so grateful to be here right now. I'm Idaline Hermona Ligaspi, your Miss Magayon 2025 official candidate number 1.
Wow, thank you so much. Once again, mga kasansi, the 8 lovely candidates of Miss Magayon 2025. Are you all Bicolanos? No. Okay. So, you know that Magayon is originated in Bicol, correct? So, I hope that you will give your best, no? Once the coronation night will come through. So, inshallah. And of course, I just wanted to ask about Idaline. Since you are the number 1 contestant here, okay? So, what makes you inspired to join to Miss Magayon 2025?
Well, for me po, no, sa mga sister ko, ako yung pinaka-ate nila.
Wow.
Of course, I'm 36 years old, but I'm soaring high with my dreams, no, na ma-experience pa yung mga ganitong platform. And I believe na marami akong matututunan to this journey again, to this Miss Magayon 2025.
Yes, I'm very sure na talagang marami kang matutunan since this is the first pageant ng Miss Magayon 2025, and I hope na isa ka sa gagawa ng history.
Thank you.
Yes, di ba? And candidate number 3, you are the new face that I see. Because most of the contender here, mga kilala ko na sila. And what makes you inspired na sumali sa Miss Magayon?
Actually, I do have a blood of Bicolano from my lolo's side. And I want, since he passed away, I want to showcase more of his side. Kasi usually, like side of my mother, hindi ko masyado na ano. So, as I get to know about this, since he passed away, this is like my kind of tribute to him. So I hope he will see it and he will be proud of it.
Wow! Ang galing sumagot ng mga ating mga kandidata. And how about you, Miss Candidate number 4? What makes you inspired to join to this Miss Magayon 2025?
So I really have a passion of learning new cultures and I love traveling. So I hope that being here as a candidate of Miss Magayon 2025, it will help me reconnect to our Bicolanos and learn more about their cultures.
Yes, and awareness kayo ba, ano ba yung mga alam yung mga places sa Bicol? May mga alam ba kayong mga places sa Bicol?
Naga.
Albay, yes. You know that one of our Miss Universe 2018 is from Albay, where they know kung saan ang perfect cone volcano shape. Right? Si Catriona Gray. And nagbigay talaga siya ng karangalan sa ating bansa, being the, I think, 3rd or 4th Miss Universe ng Pilipinas. And doon naman sa mga girls na mga nasa itaas. So may mga questions ako sa inyo, no? So syempre nagaganda, talaga ang gaganda niyo sa mga birthday, sa mga sash ninyo, and yung mga ngiti niyo, talagang gustong-gusto ko. And sana talagang ganyan pa rin yung mga ngiti niyo pagdating ng coronation night, di ba? And then I just have a questions with Pearl. Since you are the tallest one.
Yeah,
and
the tallest one. Thank you.
Kamusta, Pearl?
I'm doing great. I'm doing really amazing, and I'm really happy to be here. This is such a beautiful competition for me.
Okay. Well, yung pagsali mo dito sa Miss Magayon, itong Miss Magayon na ngayon, ano yung isa sa pinaka-inspirasyon mo na sumali sa Miss Magayon since this is the first ever beauty pageant sa Bahrain, ng Miss Magayon with the United Bicolanos Bahrain?
Yes, so I am really honored to be as an official candidate kasi ito yung first edition ng Miss Magayon Bahrain. It's something new to our ears, something na really the Filipino community can be proud of dito sa Bahrain. And what inspires me to join this competition is just the beauty of my dreams and the future ahead of me. Kasi, you know, we are women, we can also inspire the younger ones. So, this is what gives me the drive to join here. Everything is limitless. Pwede natin gawing lahat ng gusto natin gawin, and we can also be inspiration to other people.
Wow! Ang galing. So, how about you, candidate number 5? Medyo may mga trainings ba na nahirapan ka? So, kasi siyempre, narinig ko kasi talaga nagkaroon ng screening. Piniltered talaga kayo. So, may mga sumali. So, kayo yung mga pinalad. Kayo yung 8 lovely candidates. So, ano ba yung isa sa point nag-struggle ka about nung sumali ka dito sa Miss Magayon? Magayon.
Yeah. For auditioning for Miss Magayon 2025, it was a pleasure and grateful and honor at the same time. That it could be a simple woman that could be turn out to be a powerful in their self, to believe their self, and to be motivated not only by myself, to be inspirational also for the other woman. And we are grateful also to having a Miss Magayon 2025 to showcase the uniqueness of each woman, and not to be like scared. And it's to be proud also that it's not too late to be having this kind of pageant to be joined.
Yes, so kaya nga dapat talagang pinangahawakan mo yung pangarap mo. And how about you, Miss Michelle? So, buti nakarating ka dito sa ating Summon Quiz na podcast.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
she's one
much
of my good
struggle.
friends and at the same time, si Michelle. Yes, Michelle, kamusta naman?
I'm doing great. What's inspired me to join again for the second time, even though so much struggle in the work and for joining here. But this is my dream. And the people who believe in me. I believe that if you have a dream, don't give up on it. Work for it with all your heart.
Yes.
Thank you.
Work for it, mga kasansi, dahil bawat tao may pangarap. So talagang build your dreams, hawakan mo yung pangarap mo, and talagang sali ng sali until you success. May mga meron tayong mga beauty queens na talagang on their third time around, talagang nanalo sila, no? Nandiyan si Pia Wurtzbach, nandiyan yung bago ngayon, sa Miss Grand International. During her third time na sumali, nanalo pa rin siya. Kaya talagang sali lang sali, di ba? Of course, the last but not the least, our candidate number 8, the Lucky 8. So, with the fresh faces na nakita ko rin sa beauty pageant dito sa Bahrain. Candidate number 8.
Hi, nice to meet
What really
you.
inspire you?
What's inspired me is my passion because I'm a very passionate artist for over 10 years. And I want to enter this industry because I have the ability to show my talent to everyone, not just by performing, but to share my talent to all the women here in Bahrain, and to show the world that we are a woman full of talents. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you so much, candidate number 8. Summon Quiz, the podcast, supports the breast cancer awareness. That's why Miss Magayon I really chosen personally na i-campaign dahil syempre it's month of October, so talagang yan ang kinakampaign. So, and you know that Summon Quiz, the podcast, are always supporting beauty pageants. If you must remember that we had an interview with the Miss Universe Bahrain 2023, si Eugene Yacob, and then it was followed by the Miss Universe 2024, Miss Shireen Ahmed, where she's half Filipina and half Bahraini, but she's based in Bahrain. Based in Dubai. No, do you know her? Yes, I think you know her. Yes, because friend ko siya, and then we're common friends sa TikTok, sa FB. Yes, so talagang hold your dreams lang talaga, mga kasansi. And mga kasansi, I'm very glad to introduce to you the organizers of this pageant, the Miss Magayon 2025, the United Bicolanos. Yes, mga kasansi, right behind me, nandito na ang organizers ng Miss Magayon 2025, heading by their presidents, si Sir Nonoy. Sir Nonoy, kamusta po?
Okay lang naman po.
Yes, mahirap ba mag-organize ng beauty pageant since na it's a very first time dito sa Bahrain?
So far talaga na-experience namin kasi ito ang pinakaunang event ng United Bicolanos in Bahrain, talagang mahirap pero kakayanin.
Wow,
kasi
proud
ginusto
naman
namin.
tayo. Yes, of course. Si Jan, ang isang nakausap ko na talagang nag-allowed sa amin i-pictures ang Miss Magayon 2025. Hi Jan, kamusta?
Hi, good afternoon po.
Is there any meaning for Miss Magayon? What is Miss Magayon?
Actually, Magayon term itself is beautiful.
Beautiful. So, I've learned something new, mga kasansi. So, kanina ko pa siya ini-introduce, I never knew about. That's very true, no? It's good to be true than lie, no? So, Miss Magayon is beautiful. So, kaya pala Miss Magayon Bahrain. Yes. Ang galing naman, Miss Magayon 2025. And, of course, yung nag-iisang babae.
Our choreographer.
Oh.
Actually, hindi lang ako nag-iisa. So, there's a few more na babae. But since I'm available today, so I'm the only one who's representing them. But, by the way, I'm Kathy. I'm the choreographer of their production number on the pageant evening.
Hi, Miss Cathy. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Sumali, ang ganda-ganda mo.
Expired na po.
So, doon na lang tayo sa choreo, no? Sa choreographer.
Doon na lang po ang participation ko.
Wow. And how about to si Mr. Bono?
Hello po, I'm Jolo. I will be the production head for this event. So I will be in charge for the flow of the event and for the lights, for the sounds, and everything po.
And of course, at the back, si King. Hi,
yes,
King.
I'm King, floor director po ako.
Floor director.
Yes.
So,
and to assist the candidate.
So, by the way, thank you so much Downtown Rotana for using your venue. Thank you so much also to Christian Martizano for allowing us. Dito pala si Christian. Thank you so much. And, oo. Hi, Christian. Kamusta?
Okay naman po.
I never knew that you are a Bicolano.
From Ragay, Camarines Sur.
Camarines Sur, Ragay. So, Albay din ba yan? Malapit? Hindi. Katabi lang. Oo. One of my good friends, Christian Martizano,
hello po.
The Hotelier.
So I would like to thank the United Bicolanos in Bahrain for conducting the Miss Magayon in Bahrain. So to all the candidates, congratulations in advance and good luck to all of you.
Wow!
Maraming salamat.
Let's just give a round of applause for Downtown Rotana. Pinagamit nila ang kanilang venue. Napakaganda. Without any lights, mga kasansi, we are in the natural light. Medyo maingay lang kasi may branch dito ngayon, but caring naman. Caring naman dahil dito yung mga magaganda nating mga kandidata. Yes, of course. Mga kasansi, may question ako sa mga organizers. So, ang Miss Magayon ba talagang ibibigay nyo ba yung best para sa coronation night ng ating mga walong lovely candidates?
Of course. Kami na mga Bicolano, pag gumawa kami ng isang event, we make sure that we give 101%.
Yes, and I witnessed that. Kasi I was remembered during the Kalayaan Day nung last June or July ba yon. So, talagang sumali kayo, nag-present kayo. Ang gaganda ng uniform, nung yung costume.
Kami na din yun.
No? Ang gaganda ng costume. Actually, kayo yung one of my bet. Kami ni Sam.
Thank you po.
Kayo rin pala yun.
Opo. Kami po yung nasa iyo.
And then I was remembered na na-meet ko nakausap ko si Jan. Kung sabi ni Jan na mag-organize daw sila ng beauty pageant, the first ever beauty pageant ang Bicolanos. So sabi ko, Sam and Chris the podcast will support that. And now we're here.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Soon to happen na.
Wow. Do you have any message with our Kasansi about the Miss Magayon 2025?
Hello. On behalf of United Bicolanos in Bahrain, marami pong salamat sa nag-initiate sa event neto, Chris.
Yeah.
And then especially to Downtown Rotana, through Chris Martizana. And then to my fellow officer and committees, maraming salamat at nandiyan kayo palagi. And then of course, yung mga magagayon natin. Di ba? Good luck. Good luck, everyone. That's all.
Yes.
I just want to say, first of all, thank you for inviting us, actually. It's really an honor for us. And congratulations in advance to all of you who had passed the screening of the Miss Magayon 2025. Good luck, and I hope that you enjoy every minute of it.
Yes. Jan?
Yeah. Actually, first of all, maraming salamat. During the time na kinol mo kami for the podcast, I said, wala pa kaming schedule for the ladies, pero nag-send ako ng announcement to the ladies, and 100% yung binigay din nilang suporta during this event. So, maraming salamat, and also Downtown Rotana. So, please, save the date, October 31, at Downtown Rotana, the first ever Miss Magayon Bahrain 2025.
Yes, at 7 p.m. Don't forget mga kasansi, please mark your calendar now. And of course, the floor director.
I'd like to say something.
Maraming salamat po.
Ayan.
Mayayain kasi ako.
Yes mga kasansi, let's give a round of applause to the committee, the organizer, the United Bicolanos Bahrain. Dito, malalaman natin kung gaano ka-intelligent ang mga candidates ng Miss Magayon 2025. We prepared some questions with the 8 lovely candidates. Chikahan, kasi at least kayo yung mga nagtanungan, no? So, si candidate number 1, meron siyang questions for candidate number 2. And candidate number 2 will answer that. And candidate number 2 will do the questions also with candidate number 3. So, at least, kasi itong the whole journey ninyo, kayo talaga yung magkakasama.
Without, words, without any actions, it's just plainly words.
Unusual for me or different from the one that I've been living in, which is in the Philippines.